Hello and welcome to my channel Yalla Fun TV. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine. We are here with another very interesting and very educational, informational video for you. We have a lots of things. We have some sea animal, we have some dinosaur, and we have some Avenger series character. Construction machine we have, 4x4 guns machines we have, and we have some guns as well. So as per format, we will collect one by one. That's a sports car, that's a 4x4 Jeep, wow, with a deck. That's a sniper pistol. And we have this mask. The mask belongs to Avenger series. That's an army man. That's a F1 Formula car. And this one, I guess, a crocodile. That's another character from the Avenger series. And we are collecting now some construction machines. That's a T-Rex. This is also a construction machine. This one's too. And we have another construction machine. Wow, that's a big one. This is the 10mm pistol we have, and we have a seahorse and a parasaurolophus. So we collected all the things. Let's go watch them. Yalla, yalla, yalla. We are here with the fresh and cold water, and the weather is very good, so let's start washing. Here we go. Let's yalla yalla yalla. Let's watch what we are washing, and here we go. We have a front loader. Wow, that's awesome. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is a gun. Let's yalla yalla yalla. Let's wash him. That's a pocket revolver, and here we go. That's a 10mm pistol. Bang bang. Wow. And the next one we have a cement mixture, which is a yalla 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 yalla. Let's wash him. That's a construction machine, and our mixer is basically offloaded.
It's the cement mixer truck. Why does it go round and round?
And the next one we have a gun. Wow. Let's yalla yalla yalla. Let's wash him. Let's wash. And here we go. We have a sniper pistol. Wow, that is awesome. Bang, bang, bang. Okay, so that's a sniper pistol.
Not know is it doesn't use ammo. In Borderlands 1, you always had to have one.
And the next one we have a 4x4 Jeep. Let's yalla yalla yalla. Let's wash him. Let's wash, and here we go. We have a 4x4 awesome Jeep with a deck. Wow, that is real off-road machine. Wow, I just love it. And the next one we have a Avenger series character. Let's yalla yalla yalla. Let's wash him. Here we go. We have a hull. The power bank is here.
How cold!
Wow. And the next one again we have a construction machine. Let's yalla 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 yalla. Here we go. Let's wash him. We have a dump truck. Wow, that is awesome, guys. Here we go.
He's as yellow as a rubber duck with 6 giant wheels so he won't get stuck when driving around the quarry. He's like...
And the next one we have an army man. Let's yalla yalla yalla. Let's wash him. Let's wash, and here we go. We have an army man. Wow, awesome, guys. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is again a sports car. Let's yalla yalla yalla. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. We have a police sports car. Wow, that is awesome. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have is again a formula car. Let's wash him. Let's yalla. Here we go. We have F1 formula race car with a driver. Wow. And the next one we have a mask. Let's yalla. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. We have Iron Man mask. Wow, that is awesome from Avengers series. The next one is construction machine. Let's yalla. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. We have a crane. Wow, that is awesome machine.
Oh dear, that doesn't sound good. There must be something wrong with your winch motor.
And the next one we have is a dinosaur. Let's yalla. Let's wash him, and here we go. We have Velociraptor. And the next one we have a seahorse. Let's yalla. Seahorse. Wow, the smallest animal on planet is a seahorse.
Hey ho hey, seahorse,
A long snout and bent neck.
horse,
No one.
The next one is again a dinosaur. Let's yalla. Let's wash him, and here we go. We have Parasaurolophus. Wow, my favorite dino. And the next one is again a wild animal. Let's yalla. Let's wash him, and here we go. We have crocodile, the most deadliest animal. Wow, that is so much fun. So this is it from today. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the show. Have a great day, friends. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello and welcome to my channel Yalla Fun TV. How are you, friends? I hope you all are fine. Today we are here with another beautiful episode for you guys. And we have a lots of gadgets. We have a tank. We have a big tank. And we have some beautiful construction machines. We have some reptiles, some dinosaur, and your favorite character vehicles. And we have some guns, and we have a mask. And all this thing we bring to you to make for you guys some fun video. So as per format, we are collecting now things from here. Then we will immediately move to washing area to wash all the things and let you know the names and the best possible available fun videos for you guys. So stay tuned, watch till end, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. This will help us to make more and more fun video for you guys. So that will be your favorite channel. I believe that. And we have almost collect all the thing, and look at this big size tank. This will be fun. We will show you how it look like, because it's almost look like the real army tank, military tank I mean. So this one will be 4x4, and we have collected almost all the things, and we are ready to rock and roll. The water is good, summer is gone, and I am ready. And here we go, and let's start with this big tank. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Yalla. You can see the color of the water is changing, and the thing start working now. Here we go. Tank. Wow, just look at this big size military tank. That is awesome. And the next one we have a 4x4 awesome Jeep. Let's wash him. That's my favorite 4x4. Here we go. Just look at the beautiful design of this 4x4 Jeep. Wow, awesome.
Happened to me.
And the next one we have is a dump truck. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. A dump truck. That's a awesome construction machine. And the next one we have again a machine. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. That's a front loader. And the next one we have is a cow. Cow with a beautiful, lovely farm animal. Let's watch him. Here we go. Cow. And the next one we have is an Avenger series character. Let's watch him. Here we go. Hulk. Hulk is back.
Hulk cold!
And the next one we have is a rocket launcher. Yes, guys. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. We have a mini rocket launcher. Wow. Bang.
Good. Safe?
And the next one we have is a mask. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. We have a Spider-Man mask. Wow, guys, that is so much fun. And the next one we have is a gun. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. We have a 30mm TT pistol. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have again a gun. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. We have a mini sniper gun. Wow. That's awesome. Mini sniper gun. Bang, bang.
All about that not needing ammo thing. So what I always told people about the Infinity on Borderlands 2 was that it's...
Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have a mini truck. Let's watch. And here we go. We have your favorite character, Paw Patrol chase truck.
Chase!
And the next one we have a bike. That's a sports bike. Let's watch him. Let's watch for Yalla. And here we are. Sports bike. Wow, that's awesome. And the next one we have a good big machine. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. We have the ATV bike. Wow, that's a big shock bike. Here we go.
Driving an ATV.
And the next one we have a dinosaur. Let's watch. Here we go. We have a Margasaurus. That's a dinosaur. Wow. Awesome. And the next one we have a horse. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. We have a horse, the lovely farm animal. And the next one we have a reptile. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. We have a lizard. Wow. And the next one we have again a dinosaur. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. Pteranodon. That is flying dinosaur Pteranodon. So this is it from today. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the show. Have a great day, friends. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello and welcome to my channel Yalla Toys. How are you, friends? I hope you all are fine, and we are here with again a beautiful episode for you. As you can see, our tray is full of everything. As much we can provide you in this video, we try to full here, and you can see this beautiful thumbnail. So let's start collecting all the things from this tray to a basket. Then we will move to washing area. We have today guns. We have today this construction machine. We have today a lots of your favorite cartoons character, and we have some animal and beautiful gadgets for you. We have cars. As much we can bring for you, we try to bring in our single episode. So let's collect them one by one, and they will move to immediately in the washing area. You need to guess what kind of mask we are using in today's video. You can comment us now, so we will know how genius you guys are. We have few things left. As you can see, my hands and my all tray is full of mud, and this is really very fun video because I always love to record all these things for you. So we have collected all the things. Let's move to washing area. Let's start fun. And here we are. Let's start our video. That's a vehicle, but that's your favorite character vehicle. Let's wash him. That's a McQueen character tow meter.
Look at me! I'm motorhead!
Let's check out the next one. In the next one we have a very dangerous weapon. Let's watch him. Yalla. And we have a rocket launcher. Wow, this is crazy. And let's check out the next one. Let's watch. Here we go, narwhal. That's a fish, guys.
The unicorn of the Arctic Sea. Where are you off to today?
Let's check out the next one. So, did you guess what is this? Here we go. We have the Iron Man mask. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have a 4x4. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go, police jeep. Wow, that is awesome.
The cousin of a car. I am a jeep. See me in jungle safaris in the woods deep.
And the next one we have a small pistol. Let's watch him. Here we go, we have a pocket revolver. Wow. Let's check out the next one. Let's watch. Here we go, alligator. Wow. Let's check out the next one. Let's watch him. Here we go, sports car. Wow, that's a beautiful, lovely sports machine. Let's check out the next one. Let's watch him. We have some construction machine. Let's watch. Here we go. We have a wheel loader. Wow. And the next one we have is, let's watch. It's a construction machine again. And here we go, crane. That's a very beautiful machine, crane.
Lift it high, lift it high, high, high in the sky. Lift it high.
And the next one is a binocular. Let's watch him. Here we go, binocular. Let's check out the next one. That's a car. Let's watch him. Let's watch. And here we go. We have an American muscle car. Let's check out the next one. Let's watch. And here we go. We have a hydraulic hammer. Wow! And the next one we have again a beautiful machine. Let's watch him. Here we go, 95 McQueen Lightning car. Wow!
Checkered flag, here I come. Oh no! McQueen is blowing a tire! And with only one turn to go, can he make it?
Let's check out the next one. That's a big gun. Here we go, AR-15 rifle. Wow! And the next one we have an army man. Let's watch him. Here we go. Army man, full suited booted. And the next one again we have a car. Let's watch him. Here we go. Sports car. Sports racing car. Wow. Let's check out the next one. Here we go, deer. Wow, that's a beautiful animal. Let's check out the next one. That's your favorite character, PJ Mask. Wow.
Next location. I can't go after that ninja and save Yalla and Gecko. He tricked me.
Let's check out the next one. We have a big gun. Here we go. We have a 10mm revolver, guys. Wow. Here we go.
And then we'll go to double.
In the next one we have some gadget. Here we go. We have a compass. And in last we have construction machine. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. We have a road roller.
We are the Finger family.
So this is it from today. Please subscribe the channel and thank you so much for watching the show. Have a great day, friends. Take care. Bye-bye.